Hello everyone. Our objective for today is students will be able to apply the properties of equal ratios. There are 5 properties of equal ratios: invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, and componendo dividendo. Let's take an example. If A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3, then find the values of the following ratios. The first value that we need to find is of 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. I will always start with the ratio that is given to me. These are equal ratios, A upon B equal to 7 upon 3. That means the left hand side and right hand side are equal. I need to somehow make the left hand side equal to 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. So I need to transform left hand side into 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. I can take a guess looking at these 5 operations on equal ratios that componendo dividendo must have been applied over here, because I see something added on the numerator and something subtracted on the denominator. But I don't think componendo dividendo is directly applied over here, because if I directly apply it, my left hand side will become A plus B upon A minus B. But here I see 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. I can see that over here A is multiplied by 5, and I can see that here B is multiplied with 3. So if I want to get it in this form, even I need to do that. I need to multiply A with 5 and B with 3. So let's do that first. I'll multiply A with 5 here on the left hand side. If I multiply numerator on the left hand side, I need to do the same thing on the right hand side as well. I need to multiply B with 3 because it's multiplied over here. I need to then multiply it on the right hand side as well. So I get 5A upon 3B equal to 35 upon 9. Now can I apply componendo dividendo? The answer is yes. So let us apply using componendo dividendo. I'm going to get 5 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So if I apply componendo dividendo on left side, I need to apply it on the right side as well. So 35 plus 9 upon 35 minus 9, which is equal to 44 upon 26. I can divide numerator and denominator by 2, and I can reduce this ratio to 22 upon 13. So this is my answer. Let's go to the next question. In the next question, I'm again starting with the same ratio. A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3. But now we need to find the value of two A square plus 3B square upon 2A square minus 3B square. I again can take a guess that componendo dividendo is applied over here, because I see something added in the numerator, something subtracted in the denominator. I'm going to start with the equal ratios that are given to me. A upon B equal to 7 upon 3. I can see over here that A is squared. So I need to do that, squaring both sides, I get a squared upon b squared is equal to 7 squared upon 3 squared. Therefore, a square upon b square is equal to 49 upon 9. Now, can I apply componendo dividendo? If I apply it now, I would get a square plus b square upon a square minus b square. But I can see that that is not what I want. I want 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. So I can see that a square is multiplied with 2 and b square is multiplied with 3. So we need to do that as well. So here I'm going to write my original ratio first and multiply this with 2. Immediately I need to multiply the right hand side with 2 as well. Multiply b square with 3. Do the same thing on the right hand side. So I get 2a square upon 3b square is equal to 2 times 49 is 98 upon 27. Now can I apply componendo dividendo? The answer is yes. So using componendo dividendo, I get 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 98 plus 27 upon 98 minus 27, which is 125 upon 71. I hope this is clear. We can go to the next question. Now we are again going to start with the same ratio. A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3. But this time, we need to find the value of a cube minus b cube upon b cube. I can take a look at the operations on equal ratios, and I can guess that dividendo must have been applied over here because I can see a subtraction in the numerator. So I'm going to start with my equal ratios. A upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. I can see over here that a and b are both cubed. So I need to first cube both sides. So cubing both sides, I get a cube upon b cube is equal to 7 cube upon 3 cube. So I get a cube upon b cube is equal to 343 upon 27. Now can I apply dividendo? Yes. So I'll write using dividendo. A cube minus b cube upon b cube is 343 minus 27 upon 27, which is 316 upon 27. I hope this is clear. I'm going to clear this off and we are going to do another type of question. The question is if 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7, then find the values of the following ratios. So the first thing we need to find is a upon b equal to question mark. So this is given to us. I need to find a upon b. So I'm going to start with the equal ratios that are given to me. 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. I'm going to apply componendo dividendo. So using componendo dividendo. So this is numerator and this is denominator. When I apply componendo dividendo, I'll be having numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So let's first do numerator. This is the numerator plus denominator. This is denominator upon numerator. I'm writing the numerator again minus denominator. Now, when I subtract, I'm going to put this in a bracket. I'm going to put the denominator in a bracket is equal to 47 plus 7 upon 47 minus 7. Fifteen a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square. Now there is a negative sign outside the bracket, which is as good as multiplying this whole bracket with minus 1. So the signs of both these numbers are going to change. So 15a square plus 4b square. This now becomes minus 15a square. And this was minus initially, it becomes plus. And my right hand side is 54 upon 40. Here, 4 plus 4b square and minus 4b square going to cancel each other. Plus 15a square minus 15a square will cancel in the denominator. So what I will be left with here is 15a square plus 15a square, that is 30a square. And in the denominator, 4a square plus 4b square plus 4b square, that is 8b square. That is 54 upon 40. Let me divide by 2 in the numerator and denominator. I get 15a square upon 4b square. And here I can divide by 2 in the numerator and denominator as well. I get 27 upon 20. I take 4 and 15 on the other side of the equation. 27 multiplied by 4. 20 multiplied by 15. I'm dividing numerator and denominator by 4. I'm dividing numerator and denominator by 3. So I get a squared upon b squared is equal to 9 upon 25. And therefore, a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. How did I come up with this? I took square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. I got a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. So that is what I was asked to find. So I found a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Let's do the next problem. I am asked to find 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. And I need to start from this, but I've already started from here and I've got that a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. So I'm directly going to use that. Now I can see that a upon b is 3 upon 5. And here I can see that a is multiplied by 7 and b is multiplied by 3. So I can here multiply a with 7. I'm going to also do the same thing on right hand side. Multiply b with 3. Going to do the same thing on right hand side. So I get 7a upon 3b is equal to 21 upon 15. Now this seems like a componendo dividendo, except that in componendo dividendo, the numerator has addition, denominator has subtraction. Here there is subtraction in the numerator, addition in the denominator, but let's still apply componendo dividendo. So using componendo dividendo, I get 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is 21 plus 15 upon 21 minus 15. That is 36 divided by 6. I can reduce this ratio as 6 upon 1. But I need to find 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. So I need to use invertendo so that I can get the denominator at the top. So using invertendo, I get 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b is equal to, even this side gets flipped, 1 upon 6. So this is my answer. Let's do one more problem. I need to find b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. I'm again going to start with a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. I can see over here that b is first in the numerator, and that can only happen if in the original ratio also b is first in the numerator. So I'm going to start by doing invertendo to bring b in the numerator. I get b upon a is equal to 5 upon 3. So now this is a good starting point for me. I can see b and a are both squared. So I'm going to square both sides. I get b squared upon a squared is equal to 25 upon 9. I can also see that a is multiplied with 2 here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to multiply a with 2 here in the denominator. I'm going to have to do the same thing on the right hand side. So I get b squared upon 2a squared is equal to 25 upon 18. Now I'm all set to use componendo dividendo. So using componendo dividendo, I get b squared plus 2a squared upon b squared minus 2a squared is equal to 25 plus 18 upon 25 minus 18, that is 43 upon 7. But over here, I have subtraction in the numerator and addition in the denominator. So I need to flip both sides. So I'm going to use invertendo. So using invertendo, I can bring the denominator in the numerator. So I get b squared minus 2a squared upon b squared plus 2a squared is equal to 7 upon 43. I hope this is clear. Thank you.